everyone, my name is Analu. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is we are going to cook broccoli with canned tuna. Ayan po. So first we are going to add our cooking oil. I'm using olive oil but you can use vegetable oil. Ayan. Then next, sunod na po natin ang ating onions. I'm using a lot of onions kasi pag maraming onions, masarap. Ayan po mga kaibigan. So we just need to saute our onions for few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes until mag-light brown po yung ating onions. Ayan. So halu-haluin lang natin ito ng mabuti. Halu-haluin until mag-light brown. Ayan po. Naamoy ko na ang bango niya mga kaibigan. Grabe siya. Ayan, so at this point mga kaibigan, we are adding our garlic. So I'm using minced garlic, ayan, but you can use fresh garlic. So halu-haluin lang natin ito hanggang mag-light brown mga kaibigan. Mag-combine na po ang ating onions and ating garlic. Ayan, halu-haluin ng mga ilang minuto, 1 to 2 minutes. Then next, let's add our tomatoes. Ayan. Napakasarap po pag may tomatoes mga kaibigan. So isati lang din po natin, ganoon din po ng ilang minuto until mag-combine po ang lahat ng mga ingredients. Then now let's add our magic sarap, or you can add your favorite seasoning or adobo seasoning. Ayan. Then I'm adding Italian seasoning or all-in-one seasoning. Then next, let's add our salt. Ayan po mga kaibigan. Then, halu-haluin, we need to mix it again until mag-combine yung ating mga ingredients at mag-combine din po yung lasa mga kaibigan. I smell really good na mga kaibigan. Now, it's time to add our canned tuna. Ayan. So, I'm using large canned tuna mga kaibigan. You can use any kind of canned tuna, century tuna, or any kinds of tuna, no? Ayan. So, we just need to mix it well. Then now, let's add our broccoli. Ayan, napakasarap. Favorite kong gulay ang broccoli. So, we just need to mix it until mag-combine mga kaibigan. Ayan, halo-haloin lang po natin itong mabuti, no? Para ma-mix talaga siya. Then, we need to cover and simmer for 3 minutes. Ayan. After 3 minutes mga kaibigan, smells really good now. I'm hungry, my God. So this is it, pansit. Luto na po ito mga kaibigan, no? But we need to mix it well. Ayan, para mag-combine lahat ng mga ingredients mga kaibigan. So the reason why I just cook 3 minutes kasi ayaw po natin na malata or ma-overcook po yung ating broccoli. Ayan. So this is ready mga kaibigan. After 3 minutes, our broccoli with tuna is ready. Ayan. So now we are going to proceed to our next ulam. Ayan. So, next, we are going to cook our spam. Ayan, meron po tayong spam dito mga kaibigan. I'm not using oil mga kaibigan. As you can see, I'm not using oil but I'm using non-stick pan. Ayan. The reason why I'm not using oil because spam mga kaibigan is already fats, tons of fats and tons of oil in it. So, once na mainit na yan or maluto na yan mga kaibigan, maglabasan po ang mga oil niyan. Ayan, after few minutes, let's flip it. Ayan. As you can see, nag-start na po siyang mag-light brown mga kaibigan. Hanggang mag-ano na yan, yung mamula na siya ng mamula. Nabubulo na si Inda. Ayan. So, ganun lang po ang process mga kaibigan. We need to do it the same process again. You know, we need to flip it until we reach the right texture or until maano na yung we get the right color, no, yung tamang kulay na at yung crunchiness ng ating spam. Ayan, we continue flipping our spam. Ayan, until the oil come out. Ayan, hanggang lalabas na po ang mantika mga kaibigan, kasi pag medyo matagal na yan mga kaibigan, saka na po lalabas yung mga mantika niyan. Ang spam kasi mga kaibigan or maling, matataba po yan mga kaibigan na party ng karne, no? Ng beef or pork. Ayan. So, yeah. So, as you can see at pina-healthy po natin mga kaibigan. So, try nyo mga kaibigan na hindi maglagay ng mantika. Palabasin nyo yung sariling mantika ng spam or maling po. Ayan. Hindi na kayo magagastos sa mantika. Healthy pa yung inyong kinakain. Kasi yung sariling taba lang, own fats sa ating canned goods. Ayan. So, napakasarap po nito mga kaibigan. Lalo na isawsaw mo sa ketchup. Ayan. Para syempre, kaya nag-ano tayo ng gulay na broccoli no and tuna para may gulay tayo. Hindi pwede, canned goods na nga yung atong kinakain, wala pa tayong gulay. Kaya nilagyan natin ng broccoli yung ating kantuna. Ayan. So, for the meanwhile, mga kaibigan, magdaldal po ako magdaldal dito. And just keep talking while I'm flipping my spam. Ayan. Keep flipping until kasi I like my spam, mga kaibigan, na crunchy yung outside, no? Like the texture is like fried talaga. Even we're not using oil. Kahit hindi tayo gumagamit ng oil, pero crunchy siya dahil, ayun nga, lagi natin binaliktad. Take a long time, not too long. A few minutes, mga kaibigan, no? I don't know, maybe 5 to 7 minutes. I keep flipping this. Ayan. So, until the oil or the fats come out from the spam, no? Or lalabas na mula sa ating, or if you're using maling, in the Philippines, maling yung kadalasan, no? Pero dito sa state kasi, spam din yung nila. Ayan. So, baliktarin lang natin ito ng baliktarin. We just need to flip it. But make sure that your heat is medium heat only, mga kaibigan, because we don't need to burn our spam, no, or yung ating maling. And make sure that the pan you're using is non-stick pan, mga kaibigan. Kung wala naman, pwede naman ordinaryong kawali. You can use ordinary pan. But you just need to wait. Huwag mong baliktarin, mga kaibigan, kung hindi pa siya tutong or hindi pa pula, kasi siguradong didikit po yan. Palabasin mo muna ang mantika. You need to wait that the fats or the oil come out, no, before you flip it. Ayan. Yung crunchy na talaga siya. Kung ganyan na, mga kaibigan, hindi na yan didikit, no? Ayan. So, as you can see, si Inday, nagbaliktad lang ng baliktad ng kanyang spam. Dahil nagkikrib ako ng spam, mga kaibigan. I'm craving for spam, no? Then I dip that in the ketchup. Ayan. That's what I like about the spam. Ayan. As you can see, I'm already prepping my spam. At this point, this is ready, mga kaibigan. They are crunchy and the oil is already come out. As you can see the oil in the pan. But we're not using oil and we're not adding any oil, mga kaibigan. That's the oil or fats from the meat or the spam. Ayan. So, ito na po. This is ready, mga kaibigan. Looks yummy. So, there you have it, mga loves. Our dinner is ready to serve. So, what is our dinner? We have broccoli with canned tuna. And we also have spam. I cook my spam without oil. So, a little bit healthy, even canned goods. And of course, hindi mawala ang ating steamed jasmine rice. Because for me, rice is life. Ayan. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give a thumbs up, share, comment, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Ayan, kainan na. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.